Okay guys, I'll walk around and take a look at this machine. The blade's in nice shape, the pins are pretty tight. The undercarriage is in nice shape. You can see here the grouser bars are pretty nice. Chain, pins and everything are in nice shape. Sprockets are fair. The sheet metal's really nice. It's a long track machine. The other side of the undercarriage. Here's your serial number plate. The seat's in really nice shape. Controls. The way you control this machine is by pushing forward you get one speed, then backwards is one speed, and in the middle is neutral. And you have this to go forward and backwards. Here's your gauges, power meter, pedals. Machine's in good running and operating condition. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. Thank you.